If you are looking for the best budget espresso machine, here is a collection you have got to see. Let's get started. Number 1, most popular. DeLonghi EC 15515 Bar Pump Espresso and Cappuccino Maker. The DeLonghi Espresso and Cappuccino Maker has a simple interface. You can control everything with the dial on the front, on/off, steam supply, and water supply. There are two separate thermostats inside the machine, one for water and one for steam. This keeps the coffee at a stable temperature. The coffee is extracted with a 15 bars pump, so you will get an excellent, balanced espresso every time you brew. The machine has a built-in, adjustable steam wand for frothing milk. It creates thick, rich foam. Number 2. Espresso Machine 3.5 Bar 4 Cup Espresso Maker. This cheapest espresso machine is easy to use and has many features, including a steam pressure of 3.5 bars for rich, smooth crema. SOWTECH's machine also has a steam wand that allows you to create thick foam for a cappuccino. The espresso maker also features a compact design that is ideal for small kitchens. The temperature is extremely stable of this best budget espresso machine. The espresso maker heats to just below the boiling point of water and stays there. It does not overheat and does not cool if you do not use it constantly. Number 3. Number 3. Mr. Coffee Espresso and Cappuccino Maker. One great feature of the Cafe Barista machine is its dedicated milk tank. The tank not only has a built-in frothing wand, but is also removable and can be stored in the refrigerator until the next time you need it. The machine comes with a metal portafilter attached to a strong handle that needs to be tightly fixed under the brew head. The machine also includes two filter baskets to choose from, for single and double shots. Below the brew head is a pair of retractable drip trays that can be installed to accommodate large or small glasses and cups. Number 4. Nespresso Essenza Mini Original Espresso Machine. For the many coffee lovers that prefer a more compact and portable espresso machine, the Nespresso Essenza Mini will be an excellent pick, and it also comes in a sleek and modern design. This is also designed for efficiency and convenience as it features an impressive 19 bars pump pressure and highly convenient one-touch operation. The espresso machine also heats up quite fast as the water will be at the ideal temperature in just 25 seconds, and an energy-saving mode automatically switches off the machine after 9 minutes. Number 5. Hamilton Beach Espresso Machine. Our final recommendation among the best cheap espresso machines is the Hamilton Beach 40715. It simultaneously makes 1 or 2 shots of great espresso. It can accommodate SA pods and fine grind beans. A small wand is also included to froth milk, so you get to craft good cappuccinos, mochas, and lattes. Its most significant advantage is that its removable drip tray has enough room to craft 2 cups at the same time. The water tank easily removes for filling and cleaning and can hold up to 40 ounces.
For more details, click the link in the description. Thanks for watching the video.